Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. I am your teacher Ambish. This video lesson is for grade 6 from chapter number 10. As we know that we are doing the practical geometry nowadays. So first of all we are moving to our today's topic, that is bisection of a line segment. First of all we should know the meaning of bisection. Bi means two and bisection mean to divide into two equal section or the parts. So in this video we will learn that if we are given a line segment, how we can divide the given line into the two equal parts by using the pair of compass and a ruler. For this purpose I will show a video. So we are moving to our video. Look over there that I have drawn a line over there, and now with the help of compass I will bisect it. First of all I will open the compass more than half of the given line. For example, the length of the line is 5 centimeter. Then I will open it more than 2.5 centimeter, which is the half of the 5. And after opening the compass, look over there, I am opening the compass more than half. It is by our estimation. Okay, now I will draw an arc by using the compass from the upward direction to the downward direction. Okay, in this way. Look over there. Okay, now I will repeat the same process from the other end of the line, and keep in your mind that the distance which I have chosen with the help of compass, it should not be changed. Okay, so moving to the next step. Look, I will keep the compass on the other end of the line, and the distance should be remain between the pencil and the compass other end, and draw the line same way from the upward direction to the downward direction. And you will observe that this intersection, this will make an intersection at the 2 points. It will intersect the line at the 2 points, the upward and downward. Okay, so these are the two intersection points. Now the next process is I will join these 2 points with the help of a ruler. Look over there, I will join these 2 points, 2 intersection points, with the help of a ruler. So this given line will give me the intersection of the line segment, and I can check it by measuring with the help of ruler. For example, in the first question the length of the line was given to you, that was 7.6 centimeter. So the half of the 7.6 centimeter is 3.8 centimeter. So I will measure the line, the bisection line, with the help of scale or ruler, and I will come to know that the both sides are equal in the length. And for the perpendicular, the angle should be 90 degree. So perpendicular bisector mean the angle is 90 degree. So we can check the angle with the help of protractor, that it will be 90 degree angle. So it will, the bisection line will divide it into 2 halves with a perpendicular. Okay, hope you will understand it nicely.